here, and I'm my brother Tyler. So we are doing this challenge. 6 of them, if we hit the wrong bug, so 3 of them are bad, and 6 of them are good. So we spin the wheel, and then which one it ever lands on, we have to try it. We got our spitballs to spit them out, and we got a drink. Hey, my ball here. I'm so scared. Okay, you ready? I have to move up a little bit because I can't see your head. Okay. Hello, you can see my mouth. I'm gonna spin. You go first. No, you go first. I got a spider. It smells bad. Eat it. No, you have to spin now. Both feet at the same time. See the spider? You eat so good. Now you spin. No, you eat it. No, you both feet at the same time so I can see all your. No, I'm scared. Okay, well, come on, do it. Let me spin for you. Yeah. I only get to fly. No, it's that one. You got this one. No, I don't want that one. It's supposed to. That's the rules of the game. Oh, but still doesn't look bad. It's got on me. Smells good. Oh, it's cardboard. Oh, it's real. Come here, let's go near the camera. I think it's real. Let's go near the camera. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm not. I'm gonna bite into it, so you do it. No, I'm doing it. Tyler, you supposed to do the game. You're gonna react to the video to see it. Mommy, I don't want to eat it.
It's real. This is funny.
I don't want. Maybe it's bad. Doesn't matter. Mine smells right. Yours smells good. Go. Come on. I got a good one. It tastes like garbage, literally. It tastes a tiny bit bad. It's really good. It's really good. Try it. No, you try your own. I'm trying that. No, it's good. Oh my guys, that was so disgusting. No, I put this. Okay.
When you have a bite, put them on there rather than throw them in your spit. You can try, maybe let Alicia try them.
No, but I put them in my spit.
That one now, just leave that one in there.
Tara, put that on the spit.
Next one.
Tara, put that on the spit. Okay. Okay, now you go. No. Because I went first. So, you're supposed to stay first. I got this. It smells bad. Let me smell. No, just get your own. Alright, you got that. No, I don't. Stop. It looks like SpongeBob. Get it away from me. Oh my god, yours smell really good. It's not bad. I keep getting bad morning. No, smell it. That smells horrible. It does. I'm not. It's a caterpillar. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a caterpillar. Okay, let's go into the camera and try it. Okay, you ready? Ready? Your bag? Yeah, bad. Mmm. You got the good one. Oh my god, it's so good. You know you need. Try it. That's so good. That text us. Bad. Good. You think everything's bad?